Think you know Earth's oceans? Think again. Beneath the waves lies a world of darkness, pressure, and creatures so bizarre they look like science fiction. Today, we are traveling into the deep to meet 5 of the strangest animals on the planet, and the surprising science behind how they survive. The deep sea begins where sunlight fades. Temperatures approach freezing. Pressure can be over 1,000 times what we feel at the surface. Food is scarce, light is rare, and survival means adapting in extreme ways. From spring-loaded jaws to transparent heads, these creatures evolve solutions that seem almost alien. Let's dive in. Number 1. Goblin shark. Meet the goblin shark, sometimes called a living fossil. It keeps an ancient body plan, a long, flat snout packed with electroreceptors and a jaw that launches forward like a mousetrap. In near total darkness, it senses faint electric signals from prey, glides close, then, snap, its jaw shoots forward in milliseconds, snagging fish and squid. Its pinkish skin isn't actually pink. Those are blood vessels visible beneath a thin layer of tissue, because deep-sea sharks often have reduced pigmentation. The result is an animal that looks inside out and hunts with a built-in harpoon. Number 2. Vampire squid. Despite the name, the vampire squid doesn't drink blood. It's a master of low-oxygen survival. Its dark cloak and webbed arms create a spooky silhouette, but its strategy is energy efficiency. Enormous gills, copper-based blood that binds oxygen well, and slow, gentle movements. When threatened, it turns itself inside out, flipping its webbing over its body like a spiky umbrella. No ink needed. At these depths, ink wouldn't help. Instead, it flashes blue bioluminescence, confusing predators long enough to escape. It feeds on marine snow, tiny flakes of organic material drifting from above, proof that in the deep sea, even leftovers become life. Number 3. Giant isopod. Imagine a pill bug the size of a house cat. That's the giant isopod, living on the ocean floor. It's an opportunistic scavenger. When a whale falls to the seabed, isopods arrive like armored cleanup crews. Their metabolism is slow. They can fast for weeks or months, then gorge when food finally appears. Their segmented armor and powerful legs let them crawl across muck and squeeze into carcasses. Big compound eyes maximize scarce light. They are not monsters, just perfectly adapted recyclers, turning waste into life in one of Earth's harshest environments. Number 4. Barreleye fish. This fish looks unreal, a transparent, dome-shaped head with green, barrel-like eyes pointing straight up through its skull. The clear shield protects its ultra-sensitive eyes while it stays upward, scanning for prey silhouettes against faint starlight from the surface. When it spots a drifting jelly or small fish, those tubular eyes can rotate forward to track the meal. It's a living periscope, armored optics in a glass dome, designed for a world where light is everything. Number 5. Anglerfish. The anglerfish is the deep sea's horror icon. A bioluminescent lure dangles from its head, glowing bacteria living in a fleshy lantern. Prey is drawn to the light. The jaws open, teeth interlock like a cage. The weirdest twist is reproduction. In some species, the tiny male bites the female and fuses with her body. Circulatory systems merge until he's basically a permanent sperm donor. In a vast, empty ocean, finding a partner is rare. Permanent attachments solve the problem. From spring-loaded jaws to living flashlights and transparent skulls, deep-sea life shows how extreme environments create extreme solutions. If you enjoyed this dive into the unknown, subscribe to DeepMindArchive and join us next week as we explore another hidden corner of our world.